In the winter of Tokyo, 20 years ago, my existence was stripped down to its rawest data. A single piece of tofu and the relentless cold of a room without heat. I wasn't a victim. I was a system in total failure. But in engineering, a system crash isn't just an end. It is an opportunity for a systemic reset. Most professionals struggle, not because they lack talent, but because they are running on legacy protocols, outdated habits, social validation, and the illusion of comfort. These are the bugs in your operating system. When I was delivering flyers in the freezing rain, my exhaustion performed a force close on every unnecessary background process. Vanity disappeared. Fear was overwritten by the immediate logic of survival. To reconfigure your life, you do not patch the errors. You perform a hard format. First, audit your energy. If a habit doesn't contribute to your core architecture, delete it. Second, the minimalist input. Reduce your world until only the essential data remains. Only then can you see your true resilience. Third, iterative action. Don't think. Execute. Small, precise movements are more powerful than grand, hollow plans. To the leaders and strategists watching, complexity is often a mask for inefficiency. True power lies in the ability to strip away the noise and face the raw truth of your situation. A cold room in Tokyo wasn't a tragedy. It was the ultimate calibration. I am the observer, and this is the architecture of reality. Your reset begins now.